Hi, welcome to Miss Sharon's Storytime, brought to you by the Morgantown Public Library System. Today we're going to read a book about Anna Bear's first winter, because of course bears sleep in the winter. This is by Roberta Edwards and it's from Random House. Okay, the first snowflake fell and landed on the tip of Anna Bear's nose as she played with her friends. "Time to come inside," her mother called. "Why can't I stay outside?" Anna Bear asked her mother. "Because you have to get ready for winter. Come along." "First you must eat a great big supper," said Mama Bear. "Eat everything on your plate." "Why?" asked Anna. "It has to last you a long time." "Am I ready for winter now, Mama?" "Not yet," said her mother. After supper, Mama said, "Now you must wash yourself." So Anna Bear washed until her fur shone. "And get into your nightgown," said Mama Bear. "Am I ready for winter now?" asked Anna Bear. "Not quite," said her mother. "Now Papa will read a story, a great big story. It has to last us a long time." "Are we ready for winter now?" Anna asked when the story was almost over. "Almost," said her mother. Then Mama tucked Anna Bear into bed. "Now you are ready to sleep through the winter." "What?" Anna sat up. "I don't want to do that." "That is what we bears do," said her mother. "Soon the snow will cover our house, but all through the winter you will be cozy and warm in your bed." "I do feel sleepy," said Anna Bear, yawning. "When you wake up, there will be a surprise," Mama promised. Soon the bears were asleep. Just as Mama Bear had said, the days grew freezing cold, like we're having now. Icicles hung from the trees and snow piled in big cloudy drifts around the house. Inside, Anna Bear was safe and snug and dreaming of long, warm, green summer days. Mama Bear's alarm clock went off. Bring, bring! Anna Bear woke up. She ran to the window. Up through the melting snow, a crocus poked its head. Then she heard the sweet trill of a robin redbreast. "Surprise!" said Mama Bear. "Winter has gone. Spring is here." Anna Bear got dressed and ran outside, where all of her friends were waiting for her. That's a cute story. Okay, if you got an activity packet down at the library, I'd like to show you what's in it. First of all, you'll get a plain little white card and a snowman sticker, and you can build your little snowman on there, and then you can add anything to the picture that you would like. Next, you're going to do a stand-up to put on your dresser, nightstand, desk, whatever you'd like. And so I gave you another snowman, and I gave you snowflakes, and then I used a white crayon to decorate mine and make a scene, okay? And then this is the last thing you're going to do. This is a snowman paper, and it features some little winter birds. And on this, you are to draw yourself, all dressed up for winter, okay? Hat and gloves and boots or whatever. And if you want to draw a friend with you or a brother or sister, that would be cute, okay? So I hope you enjoy these things. And the next time we meet, it'll be the story will be The Day It Rained Hearts, and we'll be doing some fun Valentine things. So I hope you enjoy all this, and I'll see you the next time. Keep reading. Bye-bye.